Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion. Today I'm going to share with you a very easy busy, very healthy, very quick and interesting recipe of egg masala curry. When you are bored of every kind of egg, the egg curry recipe that are made with boiled egg, this is the one that you should try. It's very easy to make. Within few minutes you can make this with very few ingredients. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you get all the notification of my further video. And now let's jump into the recipe and make egg masala curry. For that, here in a pan I have taken 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. When it's nice and hot, I'm adding half a teaspoon of cumin, whole cumin seed or jeera over low flame. Next, a pinch of hing or asafoetida for extra flavor. Now let it sputter for a few seconds and then add onions. Here I have taken 2 medium-sized onion and I have finely chopped them. And now I'm going to fry them for 5 minutes over medium flame. But before that, I'm going to add salt at this stage according to taste for 2 reasons. One for taste and another one is for sweating the onions and it will cook easily. So I'm going to fry them for 5-6 minutes over medium flame. After 5-6 minutes they are done quite. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. You can grate the ginger, but I have kept everything quite chunky so that when you have the curry you get all the bits and pieces. Next goes 1 tablespoon of garlic finely chopped as well and fry them for another minute. Next goes tomatoes. Here I have taken 2 large tomatoes and roughly chopped them, and don't use the seeds of tomatoes, discard the seeds. Now cover it and over medium flame I'm going to cook it for 7-8 minutes till the tomatoes are soft like this. So after 7-8 minutes you can see the tomatoes are quite soft and mushy. Now at this stage I'm going to add just a little bit of sugar, half a teaspoon of sugar to balance the tartness of tomatoes. Mix it. Next I'm going to add half teaspoon of turmeric. Then goes 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder. Next I'm going to add a special masala, bhaja masala. This is basically every whole spices are ground together. Next 1/4 teaspoon of dhania powder, coriander powder. Next goes 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can add more if you want your anda curry to be very hot. And the bhaja masala I have added, it's optional, you can skip it if you don't want it, but obviously with that it will enhance the taste. Now 1 cup of water, there it goes. Mix it. Then goes green chilies. Here I have chopped 2 to 3 green chilies. I'm using 3 actually because I want this gravy to be very hot and spicy. Now mix it and over low flame I'm going to cook it for 10 minutes covering it. And after 10 minutes we are back, and as you can see all the masalas are cooked and onions and tomatoes and everything is very soft now, and the gravy is quite thickened up. Now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix it. Then goes handful of chopped fresh coriander. Mix again. Now the gravy is ready. Now I'm going to put the egg. I'm using 5 eggs and I'm going to add them one by one like this on the gravy. Make spaces for that and add the eggs like this. Now I'm going to try to mix the egg white with the gravy just a little bit, not too much, just a little bit. Mix them up. Don't break the egg yolks, so carefully with the help of the spatula mix them up so that egg white is present everywhere in the gravy. So be careful. Now I'm going to cover it and cook it over low flame for 10 to 15 minutes or till the eggs are quite done. Now we are back, and as you can see, the egg yolks are quite done and egg whites are also done. In the middle I have mixed them for another time. Next, lastly, I'm going to sprinkle some chopped coriander, fresh coriander leaves, and then goes some chopped green chilies, and that's it. Egg masala curry or anda curry is ready to serve. Doesn't it look so delicious and easy to make? Within like 20 minutes it's done, and you can serve it with paratha, roti or anything like that, any Indian bread. It will go absolutely fine. So do make this recipe for your friends and family, and especially kids, because they need protein. So if you are on protein diet, do make this recipe because it's very easy to make. And don't forget to like the video, share the video and comment in the comment section below. Thank you.